Today I'm unboxing the Lash Lift and Tint Beginner Kit, perfect for beauty professionals who want to learn a new service and get everything you need in one bundled, affordable package. Right on top of the box, you'll see a QR code. This gives you instant access to your free online training, plus the class code to unlock the course. The training walks you through the full service step by step, so you can feel confident offering lash lifts and tints to your clients. Once you slide the lid off, you'll see that all of your products come neatly packed inside a sturdy pink storage bag. Great for keeping your tools clean, organized, and ready for travel or for your studio. First, we have the disposable mascara brushes with a larger teardrop-shaped head. These are perfect for combing through the lashes as you work. Next is the keratin-infused lash conditioner. This is applied at the end of the service to nourish and condition the lashes. Then we have our standard rod glue. This is what you'll use to adhere the natural lashes onto the lift rod at the start of the service. Right after that is the isolator tool. This helps you straighten and wrap the lashes onto the rod, making sure your lift has a smooth, clean shape. Next is the tinting brush, used to apply tint to the lashes after the lift is complete. You'll also find micro pore tape. You can use this to secure the lower lashes in place or to gently lift any extra skin around the eyelid for better visibility while you work. Here's your developer, which is used to activate the tint and ensure even, long-lasting color. The kit includes a tube of black tint, a classic shade that enhances the look of any lift. Lash Stuff also offers additional tint colors, so you can expand your menu of services. Next are the disposable micro swabs. These make it easy to apply your lash lift creams with precision. You'll also get disposable flocked applicators, which are included for removing the lift cream cleanly and efficiently. The kit includes disposable mini sticks as well. These function similarly to the isolator tool and are great for helping wrap the lashes onto the rod. Now for the main lifting products. You get 2 full boxes of Cysteamine formula lash lift creams. Each box contains 10 single-use sachets of Step 1 and Step 2, giving you enough product to lift 20 clients. Everything is single-use for maximum freshness and sanitation. You'll also find eye gel pads, which secure the lower lashes comfortably during the service. You can use them alone or combine them with micro pore tape for clients whose lower lashes like to wander. Next up are the cleanser pads. We recommend using these at the end of the service to release the lashes from the rods and to remove any remaining lift cream. Here we have your dual curl lift rods. These rods let you customize the look for each client. Use one side for a dramatic lift from the base, or flip them to create a softer lift with a natural curl at the tips of the eyelashes. The silicone mixing dish has multiple wells, so you can separate your lift creams and tint during the service. The kit includes simplified instructions for a quick reference during your service. These are meant to support, but not replace, your full professional training. And finally, you'll receive a small counter display to advertise your new lash lift and tint service to clients in your studio or salon. Please note that the color of the disposable tools may vary depending on availability. That's everything inside the Lash Lift and Tint Beginner Kit. It truly includes all the essentials you need to start offering one of the most in-demand beauty services. Buy this kit today and start your journey toward offering a brand new service your clients will love.